Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our virtual meeting for the CIT University Youth Engagement Society. I am Jed Emmanuel Panedo, the president of CITS, and I'll be leading today's discussion. But before we get started, let me introduce everyone in the meeting. We have Justin, our vice president. Please do raise your hand so you will be recognized. Okay, thank you so much for that one. He is here to help oversee planning and decision making. We have our secretary, Leah. Okay, thank you so much. And she will record the minutes and keep track of the meeting details. We have our treasurer, Mr. Cyril. Okay, thank you so much for that one. And he will ensure our finances are managed properly for the event. We have our public relations officer, Mr. Carter. Okay, thank you so much. And lastly, we have our event coordinator, Maria. Okay, thank you so much for that one. And she is responsible for the logistics and execution of the event. Our main agenda for today is to discuss the details for our upcoming Christmas event for college students. Let's make it a memorable one for everyone. And to brainstorm, do you have any suggestions for our name and theme? How about Maria?
Yes, I was thinking we could call it Christmas Chronicles Shine Together. It could emphasize unity and giving back while including exciting activities. So, what do you think?
Mm, that's a great suggestion. I like the idea of focusing on both fun and charity. And maybe we could include something like a concert or a talent showcase.
I agree with what Mr. Justin said. A title like that is catchy and sets the tone for the event.
I see. Okay, thank you for that suggestion. However, does anyone have other suggestions, or shall we vote on Christmas Chronicles Shine Together? Okay, Leia, do you have any suggestion?
I think it's a solid title. I'm good with voting on it.
Okay, I see. All right, then let's proceed to a vote. All in favor of naming the event Christmas Chronicles Shine Together, please raise your hands. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. You can now raise your hands down. Well, then it's unanimous. The official title of our event will be Christmas Chronicles Shine Together. Well, then next, let's define the objectives of the event. Well, Leia, could you write this down as you finalize them?
Yes, of course.
Thank you so much. Does anyone have suggestions? Okay, Maria.
One objective should be to create an inclusive environment where students can celebrate the holiday season together.
Thank you so much for that one. Okay, Cyril, you're recognized.
Yeah, another important goal is to raise funds for donations for the charity organization, especially during this time of giving.
Okay, Mr. Tayakdak, do you have any other suggestions?
To add, maybe we could aim to showcase the talents of CIT students throughout performances or even interactive activities.
I see. Okay, then thank you so much for those great suggestions, everyone. So, let's finalize the objectives. As first, we have to foster inclusivity and togetherness during the holiday season. We also need to raise funds or gather donations for a local charity. And lastly, it is to provide a platform for students to showcase their talents. Are we all in agreement with this objective? Please do raise your hands. I see. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Well, moving on, we need to decide the date and time. Well, anyone has any recommendations? Okay, Miss Maria.
How about December 16, Saturday, from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m.? It's close to the holidays, but not too hectic with final exams. So, yeah.
Okay, Mr. Carter.
With what Miss Maria said, the timing sounds good. It gives us enough room for a pre-event setup.
Understood. Well, anyone? Okay, Mr. Cyril.
So December 16 works fine financially too, as we'll have more time to collect the registration fees and finalize the expenses. So is that good?
Nice. All right, then let's confirm. Are we all good with December 16th, 4 p.m. to 8 p.m.? Please do raise your hands. Okay, well, then it's a unanimous decision. Well, thank you so much, everyone. You may now raise your hands down. So, well, next up, registration details. Cyril and Carter, do you have any thoughts on the fee and the processes?
I propose a registration fee of 50 pesos. We can set up online registration through Google Forms and also walk-ins on the event day.
Thank you for that one, Mr. Carter. Anyone? Any have other suggestions? Okay, Mr. Cyril.
Yeah, I support the 50 pesos fee. It's affordable for students and contribution to our racing goal.
Okay, thank you so much for that one. Okay, Miss Maria, any more suggestions?
To make it engaging, we can give freebies like small snacks or souvenir item for every registrant.
Well, that's a great idea. Well, finalize your registration fee at 50 pesos with online and walk-in options, plus a freebie for each attendee. So, shall we agree on that? Okay, everyone is recognized. Thank you so much, everyone. Well, next, let's discuss committees to ensure everything runs smoothly. Could you list down the committees, Maria?
Okay. Well, we'll need a program committee, oversees the activities and flow the event. Logistic committees manages the venue, setup, and equipment. Finance committee handles budget and expenses. And lastly, is promotion committee ensures event publicity and social media campaigns.
Okay, thank you so much for that one, Maria. Does anyone wants to help Maria in these committees? Okay, Justin.
For the program committee, I can help with it.
Okay, thank you so much for that one, Justin. How about the promotion committee? Okay, Mr. Carter.
I can help the promotion committee and manage publicity.
Okay, thank you so much for that one. How about the financial committee?
Oh yeah, so I'll handle the finance committee with Leia's assistant.
Thank you so much for that one. Okay, yeah, Maria.
I can lead the logistic committee and coordinate with everyone for the setup.
Okay, that would be perfect. Well, each leader, please prepare updates for our next. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. So finally, do we need to address any other details? Miss Leah, you're recognized.
Yes, we need to finalize the charity partner. How about donating to the Hope for Kids Foundation? They focus on helping the unprivileged children during Christmas.
Well, that's a great idea. We could also invite representatives from the foundation to share a few words at the event.
Okay, Mr. Partner, you're recognized.
And I'll promote the charity partnership in our campaign materials to encourage participation.
Mhm. Okay, I see. Thank you so much for everyone. Yeah, it's settled then, and we'll partner with the Hope for Kids Foundation. So that would be all. Well, to summarize, first is we have our event title. It is titled Christmas Chronicles, Shine Together. We have the objectives. We have inclusivity, fundraising, and talent showcasing. We have the date and time, December 16th at 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Well, then we also have the registration fee at 50 pesos, but with already freebies. We have also committees. I believe each leaders are already assigned with their respective roles and responsibilities. How lastly, we do have the charity partner, and that is the Hope for Kids Foundation. Oh, again, I'd like to commend everyone. Great job, everyone, and we'll meet again next week to check on our progress. And as the president, I'll declare meeting adjourned. Thank you, everyone.